everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Amegy Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in amegybank.com. It will take you to the official website of Amegy Bank, and over here in this interface, click on the sign in button that is at the top right corner and choose personal banking. Once you do that, this login portal will pop up, and over here enter the username of your account, and in the password section enter the password of your account. And if you are using a private computer, click here on remember me for further use, but I do not recommend you to do that in the public or shared computer. And click on sign in. You will be signed into your Amegy Bank account. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your Amegy Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.